Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is KastKing Rover Round Baitcasting Reel. KastKing is arguably one of the best. It is affordable and packs a lot of value for your money. First, there are 6 models available. Each one has a unique IPT, drag, gear ratio, line capacity, and bearings combination. The larger round baitcasting reels hold more yards of lines, more drag, fewer ball bearings, lower gear ratio, and IPT. Thus, they are more suitable for large fish or trolling over saltwater. Apart from that, all Rover models have the same construction. All metal body, thick anodized aluminum plates, CNC machined aluminum spool, alloy level wind, stainless steel shafts, brass gears. Depending on the model, the simple drag washers yield up to 30 pounds. Enough power to reel any giants. There is one thing to be aware of. The KastKing Rover is not easy to cast with. Plus, it is not as smooth as its low-profile counterparts. However, keep in mind that round bait casting reels are suitable for other purposes. Our second best bait casting reel for saltwater is Piscifun Alijoz bait casting reels. With an aluminum frame, the Alijoz Piscifun bait casting makes its way into this best bait casting reels review. It is expensive, yes. But its construction and performance are worth it. The Alijoz saltwater bait casting reel boasts a hami-cut brass gear. The hardening process made it stronger than other similar gear. Plus, the stainless steel double-shielded ball bearings keep things running smoothly. On the other hand, the anti-reverse bearing grants additional stability to the brass main and pinion gears. The aluminum spool houses up to 190 of a 15-pound test monofilament line. But you can boost capacity if you use braided lines instead. The drag system is something special. It yields up to 33 pounds of pressure, which is more than enough for landing a saltwater gamefish. We wish for it to be a little smoother. But it is not a deal breaker. Third pick in our list is KastKing Royale Legend 2 Reels. KastKing will always be a suitable choice for those looking to get the best value for their money. Let's take some time to talk about the second generation of the Legend baitcasting reels. First, it has a graphite body, which might not be the best for larger fish. But we couldn't notice any flex. They also made the Legend 2 5% smaller than the previous generation. The result is a compact and light reel, weighing just 7.2 ounces. Internally we find a stainless steel main shaft, hami-machined brass gear, and double bearings. On the other hand, the drag system comprises 4 carbon drag washers. The system can deliver up to 17.6 pounds of stopping power. Plus, the 10-level adjustable drag allows you to set the drag precisely. There are fewer chances of backlashes, thanks to the 8-magnet braking system. Plus, the ceramic line guides help with friction reduction. While casting is smooth, it still falls short compared with much more expensive reels. For details, let's watch more.
The difference between a right-handed bait casting reel and a left-handed bait casting reel. This is a right-handed bait casting reel. As you can see, the handle is on the right side. So when you're holding it and you press the thumb button, your retrieve is on the right side. This is a left-handed retrieve bait cast fishing reel. As you can see, the handle is on the left side when you press the thumb bar and you reel with your left hand. So again, my name is Shane with KastKing, and this has been how to determine the difference between a right-handed bait casting reel and a left-handed bait casting reel.
Number 4 in our side is KastKing Royale baitcasting reels. The KastKing Royale is one of the best values on something that fishing enthusiasts of all make and models should be able to appreciate. But what really defines this rod is its ability to make bait casting fun and easy for new users or people who are just getting into the sport. As you can imagine, not everyone wants to fork out $400 for a reel that they have no idea how to use. But just because this thing is cheap doesn't mean that you have to settle for any kind of drop-in quality. KastKing developed incredible synthetic soft grip handles for the Royale Legend GT casting reel. Their remarkable feel led to the name, Grand Touch. It will give you a great grip in any situation, and allows you to fish all day long with a comfortable grip. Features 8 crossfire magnets for baitcaster braking efficiency and superior casting control, a low-profile palmable of just 1.65-inch height above the reel seat and a total weight of only 7.2 ounces. Combine those fishing tournament features with a quadruple disc carbon drag that delivers a whopper stopping 17.6 pounds of drag for an incredible value in baitcasting reels. Number 5 in our top 5 best baitcasting reel for saltwater list is Shimano Curado K Baitcast Reel. Anyone who has spent any significant amount of time casting has probably come across a Shimano reel. We've been casting with them for decades, all the way back to the Shimano Green Bantam, which is one of our favorite reels of all time. The Curado is a model that lives up to the brand's reputation for quality. This reel is easy to care for, easy to adjust, and also happens to be significantly more expensive than most of the upper-level pro fishing reels. Some people might compare it to the Abu Garcia Revo STX, but in our opinion, the Curado is a bit smoother and not quite as clicky. Built tournament tough, this low-profile baitcasting reel is the benchmark for durability and reliability, which is why generations of anglers have looked to Curado as their trusted partner. Featuring Shimano's latest technology such as the super smooth, efficient, and durable micro-module gearing. Employs SVS Infinity braking system, providing easy to manage and consistent spool control and brake force for precision casting with lighter lures, as well as precise adjustments when switching baits or a change in condition. Utilizes X-Ship technology to improve durability and long-lasting performance, as well as a smoother, more powerful retrieve, making this the go-to casting reel for both freshwater and saltwater action. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.